Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video we are starting our new topic, which is string handling. So string handling is very important. We use this string methods like most of the each and every program. So in string handling, the first method we have is length. So length basically returns the total number of characters in a string. Syntax wise, we declare a variable msg and like we give a string welcome. So how we implement this length method? By using dot after the string. So msg dot length. So what it will give you the output? In output it will calculate the number of characters. So mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 character in this string welcome. So it will give you the output 7. So in order to understand this length method, we will do some programs. So let's open our VS Code, and inside of the body tag we take a data list. In data list we take data terms. We simply say password, and after this password we can have a data definition. We can take input field and we can say password, and we can give the ID to this ID txt pass. Okay, this is the ID, and after this input we can give another data definition, and we can give the ID to this. We can say msg. So after this input we want to show the message that whatever error message we have in this password. What we trying to do is we want to show the user if user put short password or long password. So we apply some condition to this to record that user input one by one. We have a event called onkeyup. So we can give onkeyup, and we can give the name verify. So after entering each and every character we want to call this event verify. So in now we have given the function name. We have to declare this function in our script. So inside of the script we declare this function by using function key verify. So now we will write our logic inside of this verify function. So first we want to get the value out of this from this password field. First we have to store that value inside of a variable. So we can declare the variable var password, and we can get this value by document dot get element by id. And what is the id of our input? txt pass. So we can write txt pass. Make sure you write the id same as you have written here. So txt pass. So what we want from this element, we want the value out of it. So value. So next we want to get this element also message, so we can show the message. So we can declare this var msg equals to document dot get element by id. So we can use the same id name. The id name is msg. So we will get this element. Now we can write our conditions. So first condition we can write as if. So in if we have to get the length of this password. So whatever user input we want to get that length. So password dot length. If password is like equals to 0, mean the user did not type anything and he just leaving that blank. So we can give password dot length equals to 0. So what we want to show is inside of the message, which is going to appear right here. So in message we can get that message through that variable message. So msg. So we can write like this msg, and we want to show the message inner inside of this message element. So we can use inner html. So what we want to show is password is required. Okay, and we want to give the color. So we can use the font color. We can give the red. And next, if the user leave this blank, it will get this message. Okay, so else, after this else we can have another condition, like if you just start typing. So let's see in else. So we can give a nested if and else. So if user trying to put some like very short length of the password, so we will show the message in that case also. So we can write this condition like if password dot length is less than 6. So we want to show the message msg dot inner html. What message we can say is weak password. Okay, and we can give the color, font color, we can give the color orange. And next, so we can have another, if it is more than 6, so we can say like msg dot inner html. We can show this message strong password, and we can give the font color. Usually we give this color in green. So let's check if our program is working. So you start typing, this is correct only one, so it's a weak password. So now it is more than 6, so it's saying strong password. So you can apply so many validation like according to your need. So just to show you how the length we use in our program, so this is how you use it. So next program we have to use in like text area. You have learned I think in HTML text area. So normally in most of the website they use this method. So let's see how we can do that. First delete this everything, and we can take another data list. In that data list we can have like data term, we can say your comments, and in comments, after comments we can have a data definition. In the data definition we can have text area, and in text area if you have learned HTML very well, so you have know it can take rows and columns, right? So we can define rows. Let's say we can say like 6 rows, and we can have calls, how many columns you want, like we can give 30, and we can this id, we can say comment, and after this text area we want to show the message. So dd, we can have the id to this id msg. So what we want to do is when user start typing in this, we want to show right below this many characters are remaining. So that is the message we want to show. And text area takes maximum length, so we can declare the maximum length. We can say like 100 characters. Now we have to record each and every character, so we can track how many length the user input. So we can use the same event onkeyup. So onkeyup, we can have this verify function, so we can declare this function inside of our script function verify. So inside of this verify we can write our logic. So first we want to get the comment. So whatever user putting inside of this text area, we want to get that. So we can first declare a variable to store the comment. So var comment, so we can say like document dot get element by id. So what is the id of this comment area? So we have the id comment, so we can write this comment, and we want the value out of this area, so we can dot value. So what is the maximum length of this text area? We have given 100, so we can declare that variable also, var max length of comment. So max length of comment we have 100. And next we can give another variable, we can say comment length. Comment length, the comment we going to get from this text area, so we already store that comment inside of this comment variable, right? So we can write like this comment dot length. So now in comment length variable we have the comment length. So now we can show our message directly. So for that we can use this, we have to get this element. How we can do that? We can simply write document dot get element by id. So what id we have here? msg, and we want to write inside of this, so we can use inner html. So inner html we can use backtick, so we can do some kind of binding expression inside of this. So if you did not see my previous video about this binding expression on backtick, so please go and watch that first. We can write our binding expression, $, curly bracket. So we can say max length of comment minus comment length, okay, and plus we can say characters remaining. That's it. Okay, now check if our program is working. So now user start typing. Yeah, so you can see we start getting this message 99 character remaining. So it will be good if we give the some kind of color dot font color. We can give the font color in red. Let's see F. You can see we are getting this message 99 characters remaining. So as we start typing more, it will count each and every character. So you might have seen this feature in like most of the websites use this. So this is how you get this kind of features in your website. So in next video we will learn about this character at, and so you need to practice this program like 2-3 times without watching my video. Make sure you don't watch my video while you're writing this program, otherwise you will not learn anything. You will be blank when you actually gonna write the program. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and you can leave a comment if you have any kind of question. So see you in the next one. Thank you.